Hello guys, welcome to my video again. Thank you for I hope you like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. Today we're going to play Stop Tower. In this game, we can slap others. It's like troll pinning obi. Yeah. Like that. So I hope you enjoy the video. Enjoy guys. Sorry for the noise guys. It's my grandma. Is watching TV. Just comment if you want me to play others. You can just comment it. You can just comment it in this video or my last video. And if you want and if you want a shout out, I can do it. Just just type your just chat your name in the comment section, and I can give you shout out. This is a fun question, guys. Do you know high and low? If you know, can you type it in the comment section? Joke. Guys, follow my TikTok account. Its name Ginanya Mahal. Yeah, that's the name. It's because of my brother. That is his he is in my first video. I'm getting out of focus. Okay, guys. It's time to serious mode. This is hard, so because there are troll too. Is there a troll? There's a troll. I'm not going, bro. Hala. Yung zombie hut is is bro. Guys, help. Get out of here. Do you know what I hate this game about? There's so many trollers. And if you want me to do a Q&A video, just comment it down below. I will be answering your question. I'm just starting guys. This is what I hate about this OB. The destroyers. Please. Stop. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for 6 views in my first video, guys. And shout out to Silby Dudulaw kasi is my first subscriber. Shout out to you. I will really appreciate it. Oh no, guys. What should I do? What is she doing? What is she doing? I'm gonna upload ang Mutya ng Section E season 2 when it comes out. I'm gonna show you ang Mutya ng Section E, guys, season 2. The world. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. This is the end of my video, guys. I'm gonna upload daily, guys. Bye.